Good morning all of you. I am Nilma, PGT Maths from KGBV Shankavaram, East Godavari district. I teach Maths 2A paper. In this paper already we are discussing and we are completed 2 lessons, complex numbers and De Morse theorem. Now we are starting 3rd lesson, quadratic expressions. That is 3rd lesson in the quadratic expressions. Okay, in this lesson we have IPE exam or public exam 6 marks. Weightage of this chapter 6 marks. That is 2 marks question is 1 and 4 marks question is 1. Okay. Now we go through lesson. First, what about quadratic expressions? Okay. Definition chudandamma. Okay. In this any equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is equal to 0 where a, b, c are real or complex numbers and a is not equal to 0 is called a quadratic expressions. With variable x. Okay, where a, b, c, here any equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real or complex numbers and a is not equal to 0 is called a quadratic expression with variable x. Okay, and here a, b, c in this equation a, b, c are where a, b, c are coefficients of this quadratic equation. Okay, in this quadratic equation variable x square x are variables and a, b, c are in this equation coefficients of x, coefficients of this quadratic equation. A, b, c are coefficients of this quadratic equations. Okay, for example, we have x square plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Why in this quadratic equation three terms, x square term, x term and constant term, and a is not equal to 0. X square coefficient is a, that is not equal to 0. In this x square coefficient, what is this in this equation? satisfies the quadratic equation. And suppose second another example. This is not a quadratic equation. Why? In this x square coefficient is 0. That's why this is not a quadratic equation. And more one. Suppose x square plus 2x is equal to 4x plus 3. This one also quadratic equation or not? Check it. X square plus 2x minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. And x square plus 2 minus 2x plus minus 3 and minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. This is also quadratic equation. Okay. Next we learn this. Okay, understand? Next, the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Next one, the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. See here, general form of roots of the quadratic equation is form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the roots are minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2. Okay, the general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the roots are minus b root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, understand? For example, first one. For example, see here, we find out the roots of the equation. X square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. So what we find out here, in this sum we find out the roots of the equation. Okay, general form of the roots of the quadratic equation is solution. Form the roots of the equation, the roots of the first this quadratic equation or not, check it. X square term and x term constant and coefficients also not equal to 0. That's why this is a quadratic equation. Now find out the roots. Roots form into the roots of the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, what? Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. See here. First, we compare with quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And given equation, quadratic equation, this one. And given equation is x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, both equations compare cheyandi. See here, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 12. Okay, both equation compare this. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 7 and constant and 12. Okay, x square coefficient a, here x square coefficient a will లేకపోతే ఏంటమ్మా 1 అని మనం అనుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ x coefficient is b, here minus b. General equation plus ఉంది, ఇక్కడ minus term కాబట్టి we takes minus b minus 7 and constant and c. Now we substitute the formula, the roots of the equation, quadratic equation formula. Minus b, b means minus 7 and minus 7 plus or minus b square means minus 7 whole square minus 4 into a means 1 into c is constant and 12. Okay, by 2 into a means 1. Okay, now this one simplify this 7 minus into minus plus 7 plus or minus in this root 7 square means 49 minus 4 12 are 4 into 1 4 and again 4 into 12 48 by 2 into 1 2. Okay, 7 plus or minus 49 minus 48 means 1 by 2. Okay, that is equal to 7 plus or minus 1 by 2 is, that implies 7 plus 1 by 2, here 2 values and 7 minus 1. Why here plus or minus given means first one is positive and second one is negative. That 2 we get 8 by 2 and 6 by 2 and 4 comma 3. Okay, see here the find the roots. How many roots in the quadratic equation? 2 roots. So first one is the positive one, second next one is the negative, both 2 roots. Okay, understand this one. What we learn? What about quadratic equation and the roots of the equation? General form of the quadratic equation what ma'am? Ax square plus bx plus c. That too, and the roots of the equation minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. And how many roots get in this equation? 2 roots. Okay, understand? Okay, next we go through general form of this equation. Okay, roots of the equation ఏంటమ్మా చెప్పుకున్నాం మనం, minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, here using this one, b square minus 4ac is the discriminant of 4ac is the discriminant of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, what? B square minus 4ac is the discriminant of quadratic equation. It is denoted by b square minus 4ac is equal to delta. Okay, symbol of delta. It is denoted by delta. Okay, next one. The nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Next, nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. nature means b square minus 4ac is a discriminant. This discriminant is we get three conditions. That is the nature of the rules. Okay, see here case 1. b square minus 4ac, that is equal to, it is denoted by delta is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac get value delta. We denoted by delta, that is equal to 0. So it is the roots are equal. Roots are equal. And next case 2, second condition, delta is greater than or equal to 0. Greater than 0 means what, ma? Delta value 0 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. So we get positive values. So positive and real numbers. Real numbers are distinct numbers. Okay. See here delta is equal to 0. Second condition is delta is greater than 0. That is the positive and real numbers. Third condition is delta less than 0 and negative values. We get negative. Less than means negative values. Negative and not a real number. Okay. Nature of the roots means discrimination b square minus 4ac is delta. We show that denoted by delta is 0. It is the roots are equal. And greater than 0 means we get positive values. Less than 0 means negative. Okay. Next, we follow the example sums. See here, we show that the equation equation 2x square minus 6x plus 7 is equal to 0 has no real roots. Has no real roots. Okay. See here. What is here given, ma? We show that the equation has no real roots. It has no real roots means this is the nature of the roots. A condition follow, ma? Check out first. This is first of all. This one is the quadratic equation or not? A is not equal to 0. Okay. The three conditions. And okay. First solution chudandi. Given equation, given equation 2x square minus 6x plus 7 is equal to 0, and compare this equation with quadratic equation A. X square corresponding here, quadratic equation A means here get 2. In this given equation 2, and B is equal to minus 6 and C is equal to constant value 7. Okay. So we find out this is the no real roots. We find out clearly. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac that is equal to b square means minus 6 whole square minus 4, a means 2 and c 7. Okay, that is equal to 36 minus 4 to 8, 8 7 56. So 2a. Okay, minus b means minus b minus 6 plus or minus root of b square minus 6 whole square minus 4. A means 2 and c means 7 by 2 into a means 2. Okay, that is equal to minus into minus plus 6 plus or minus 36 minus 56 root of by 4. That is equal to 6 plus or minus root 20 by 4. See here, that is equal, that implies 6 plus root 20 by 4 and 6 minus root 20 root 20 by 4. These are roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, understand? Next. Next sum చూడండి. Find all k such that the equation x square plus 2k plus 2 2x plus 9k is equal to 0 as equal. Okay, again this one is the quadratic equation or not. Here given quadratic equation, first condition a is not equal to 0 and 3 terms and all are real numbers. So we find out the k value and has equal roots. Equal roots means discrimination delta is equal to 0. So first we given equation is given equation x square plus 2 into k plus 2 into x plus 9k. Okay, compare this equation with quadratic equation, general equation. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 into k plus 2 and c is equal to 9k. Okay, and this has equal roots means discrimination delta is equal to b square 4ac, that is equal to 0. So b square 2k plus 2 whole square minus 4, a means 1 and c means 9k. Okay, 2 k plus 2 whole square, 2 into k plus 2 whole square means whole square means 2 get 4, k plus 2 means k square plus 4 plus 4k minus 36k, that is equal to 4k square plus 16 plus 16k minus 36, that is equal to 4k square minus 20k plus 16. 4 common this is the whole equation. 4 common తీయొచ్చా? 4 common తీస్తే k square minus 5k plus 4, that is equal to 0. Now we find out the roots. Okay, roots form ఏంటమ్మా? k is equal to roots formula k is equal to minus b. Roots formula is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here this equation compared with the quadratic equation again. So we get a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 4. Okay, we get minus b means minus 5 plus or minus b square minus 5 whole square 4. A means again 1 and c 4 by 2 into a. Okay, 5 plus or minus 25 minus 16. Right, that is equal to 5 plus or minus, here 25 minus 16 means 9, root 9 by 2. We get 5 plus or minus root 3, root 9 square and the 3 is square root 9, so by 2. That is equal to 5 plus 3 by 2 and 5 minus 5 plus 3 and we get 8 by 2 is equal to 4 and another one and 5 minus 3 by 2 that is equal to 2 by 2 that is equal to 1. Therefore k is equal to 4 and 1. So therefore the roots of the equation is 4 and 1. Okay, understand here we get clear value k is equal to 4 and 1. So has equal roots. So that's why delta is equal to 0. And before sum we all not get detailed correct value. That is the sum not a, that means greater than delta is has no real roots means we not get correct value. So okay, next one. Next, relation between coefficients and roots of a quadratic equation. Okay, in this quadratic equation, so let alpha beta be the roots of the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then alpha is equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2a and beta is equal to minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. The roots of the equation is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then here divide alpha and beta are roots of the equation. Suppose that alpha is equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Beta is equal to minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now the sum of the roots, alpha plus beta is equal to, alpha means minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So both are denominators equal, so LCM 2a minus b plus b square minus 4ac plus minus minus b square minus 4ac by total divided by 2. So both plus 1 and minus 1 both are cancelled. So we get minus 2b by 2a and 2 cancel and minus b by 2. Okay. Now the sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to we get minus b by a. And next one, sum of the roots after next product of the roots. Product of the roots. Product means alpha into beta, that is equal to alpha minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2a into minus b minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Both are multiplied, minus b into minus b. So a plus b into a minus b. That's why we get one general formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square. By 2 into 2, 4 a square. The 2 here b square into square cancel and b square minus b square plus minus into minus plus 4ac by 4a square. Okay, we b square cancel and we get more one 4ac by 4a square. That is 4 cancel and a cancel, we get totally by c by a. Okay, c by a. So we get sum of the roots, what we get? That is equal to sum of the roots minus b by a. Here product of the roots c by a. That too we have some 2 marks questions, very important questions and IPE exam questions. We solve that. Okay, understand relation between two alpha beta with the 2 roots we get in the quadratic equation. Sum of the roots minus b by a and product of the roots c by a. Okay, suppose some notations have in this formula. Write down. Note the coefficients of x square is 1 in the quadratic equation. The sum of the roots equal to coefficient of x and sign change. Okay, here when the coefficient of x square is 1, suppose like that. For example, x square plus 3x plus 6. In this sum of the roots means formula what about formula sum of the roots minus b by a. That is equal to in this sign plus we get sign change minus and roots equal to coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 3 by and x square coefficient is we get 1, condition is 1. So that is equal to minus. That is equal to minus 1. Signs are same. Signs are change and coefficient are plus. And second one, the product of the roots roots is equal to constant. Okay, constant means here 6. For example, in this term, constant 6. Oh, 6 by, but general formula C by A. We get here 6 by 1. Denominator 1, we get not a value. That's why we can write 6. Okay, understand? Both are conditions. And follow sums in the next class. Okay, students, today class 2 I give assignment 4 sums. And find roots and nature of the following equations. Okay, solve these problems for next class. Thank you for giving opportunity.